Okay, so today we're doing a deep dive into a mobile app, Coin Slicer Mania.
Right. And this one comes with a pretty big promise, doesn't it?
It really does. The idea is you play this game, you slice these virtual coins,
Uh-huh.
and then you can supposedly redeem those coins for actual Roblox codes, Robux.
Yeah, that's the hook. So our mission here is basically to look at those claims, check them against the source material we have.
And see if this whole thing actually holds up. Can you really earn rewards this way?
So looking at the mechanics first, the sources agree the game itself is, well, playable.
Right, it seems simple enough. You just tap the screen.
Exactly. Tap to throw daggers. They hit coins. The coins split into more coins. It's got that quick, satisfying loop lots of casual games have.
And the promise isn't hidden, is it? It's right there.
No, it's very explicit. The store listing apparently says the coins you collect can be redeemed for various Roblox-related codes, straight up.
Okay, so far so good. Playable game, clear promise.
But
But
here's where things start to wobble, right? This is exactly where the investigation hits the major red flags.
yeah, the research found basically zero credible proof.
Right. No credible proof that these codes actually come through.
And, maybe more importantly, that the whole payout process even works reliably. It seems like it just breaks.
And it's kind of interesting how it breaks. It's not always just like an error message up front.
Yeah.
The detailed reviews we looked at show players can actually spend the time, hit that redemption number.
They reach the goal, the threshold.
Exactly. They hit the threshold and then the process just stalls out or fails silently.
So you do all the work, maybe watch a bunch of ads along the way,
Which earns the developers revenue, of course.
and right when you expect the reward, poof, nothing.
Yeah, it just hangs. It's a pattern seen in quite a few of these questionable reward apps. It maximizes their gain from your playtime before cutting you off.
That seems deliberately deceptive. I mean, why build a working game?
A polished game, even.
Right, a polished, entertaining game, only to break the one part that delivers on the core promise.
Well, you have to ask what the real reward is for the developer. It might not be giving out Robux codes.
You mean the reward for them?
Yeah, it could be the ad revenue, the user engagement data they collect while you're grinding away, chasing something you can't actually get.
And there's another piece to this puzzle, isn't there? Something about the fine print.
Oh, absolutely crucial. The app apparently includes a disclaimer. Buried, perhaps, but there.
And what does it say?
It states the app is unofficial and not connected to Roblox Corporation.
Okay, that's huge. If they're openly saying they have no official link to Roblox,
Then how could they reliably provide official Robux codes? It really undermines the whole claim, doesn't it?
it really does.
Yeah.
So putting this all together, what's the verdict for someone who might have this installed or is thinking about it?
Based on the source material, the conclusion seems pretty clear. Yes, the game works as a game. It might be entertaining for a bit.
But as a way to actually earn Robux?
It's very likely not legitimate or reliable for that. Not for Robux, probably not for any meaningful rewards.
So treat it purely as entertainment, like any other free mobile game.
Exactly that. You just have to see it as entertainment, nothing more. The key thing is knowing the difference.
What difference is that?
The difference between a game built just for fun, maybe with ads, and something that genuinely functions as a rewards program designed to give you real value back, they are not the same thing.
That distinction really is critical, isn't it? Especially with so many apps making these kinds of promises.
Absolutely.
So maybe the final thought for you listening is this. When you see these reward-based casual games, really think about that difference. What separates an app made purely for entertainment from one that's a truly reliable way to get Robux? Why is understanding that distinction perhaps the only real protection you have before you hit download? Something to chew on.